Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how I make rice water for hair glow. I put the new 4G's on the G. I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks out my G. I remember getting them all with a whole team. Now niggas pay us a call cause I'm all. So for this tutorial you're gonna need 2 containers, or you can use one. I'm also gonna be using 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rice. The first thing that I'm going to do is to wash my rice to get rid of any dirt. After I wash my rice, I'm gonna pour it into the containers. After that, what I'm going to do is to put a cup of water into each, and then I'm going to cover them up really tight. I don't know, but yeah, whatever. So as you can see, I put some foil in it because of the hole that the cover had, and then I'm gonna put them in the side for 2 days. So now I have my rice water already fermented. It's been 2 days. So now what I'm going to be using is, I don't know how you call this, but I'm gonna be using a spoon. I'm also gonna be using this, I don't know how you call this in English, anyways. And I'm also gonna be using rosemary and cinnamon sticks. If you don't have this, you can use orange peel or any essential oil that you have. Do now is put the rice water in the container, and I'm gonna put the rosemary, and I'm also gonna put the cinnamon stick, and I'm going to let it boil for 5 minutes. And after it's already boiled, guys, our rice water is gonna be ready, and you can let it cool down before you use it. And in this case, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. As you can see in this container, I put some ginger, but it's optional. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. See you in the next video.